No, this is not true. Party or Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh or ABVP are run by those respective organizations.
Sir.
But as I told you, it's an ideological parivar
Sir.
where we take inspiration, we get people also, and we get the thought process is one, and that's why RSS and our relationship
you
is
want to-
symbiotic,
so-
in which it's
So you
one
want to
family.
create
Just
that
like
line.
30
it is
seconds to
not
me as well,
if
Arnab.
No,
something
you
is
want to
new.
create that line, but you want to create
Yeah.
that line because it is convenient for you to get allies. It is more acceptable. If the people of the country and the allies
30
realize
seconds to
that the
me, Arnab,
Politburo
as
of the
well.
BJP is in Nagpur, you will not get allies. Let me ask Naresh Gujral. Mr. Naresh
No,
Gujral.
it is
No,
not.
Mr. Gujral
It
is
is
a.
not.
No, Mr. Gujral. Mr. Gujral, does it worry you that the big political decisions of the BJP are being taken by the RSS?
Look, that is their internal affair, and I am not going to comment on that. But I can tell you one thing,
Yeah.
and I'd like to reassure my friend Mr. Tyagi. I sit in the NDA on behalf of my party, and all decisions of the NDA are taken within the NDA, in which Mr. Sharad Yadav plays a very, very prominent role. And I'd also like to reiterate that on more than one occasion, Mr. Advani has told us in very clear terms that he has no prime ministerial ambitions. So don't be unfair to Mr. Advani.
Mr. Advani has also said that he does not want to retire. Why do you discount that? He has said
Why
it
should he
very
retire? Why should he
That is
retire?
good.
No, he has made it very clear.
Why should he retire?
So he
Please tell
retains
me.
his
Arun,
political
But
ambitions.
why
He
should
is
he
our
retire?
president.
What was
Why
the
you
Jan
answer
Chetna
My
Yatra
question, why
about?
should he retire?
What was the Jan Chetna Yatra about?
He is in good health.
What?
What was the Jan
But please
Chetna
tell
Yatra
me,
about?
he is in good
Yes.
health.
And we need
No,
his
no,
guidance.
1 second. Don't be unfair
We
to the
need his
man.
guidance.
Absolutely.
You're diverting my
He is
question.
in good health.
You're dodging my question.
no, you are
My
not letting
question
me
was
answer
about the
your
RSS. My question was about decisions of the
He was
BJP
very
taken by the
unwell. He was
RSS.
very unwell when the
I
decision
said
was
very
going on.
clearly, I
No,
said
not
very
decisions
clearly
taken.
that I am not going to comment on what goes on in another party.
But don't you
Do
think?
I comment on Congress
But you are a-
party
you are a
with
BJP
only
ally.
ideology, psychophancy and perpetuating the family rule?
But you are a BJP ally, and the BJP in its search
You are
for
not a member
allies.
of the UPI.
So what?
UPA.
What? They never comment on our party. They don't talk about our internal affairs. We don't talk about JDU's internal affairs. That is the way every political party runs.
Well, a BJP guided by Nagpur, with the election managed by Modi, does it make it less attractive to allies? Simply, that is the only question I'm asking you.
That may be your perception. That may be your perception. As far as NDA is concerned, I know one thing for very clearly. We take our own decisions. And
Okay.
even in the future, all decisions of the
Yes.
NDA would be taken within the NDA.
Okay, so Ashok Malik, who won, who lost? Did Advani win? Did Modi win? Or did the Congress party win? Or did the RSS win?
Well, whether the Congress won or the BJP won will be known in 2014 because their battle is a year away. But within, if you look at the battle within the BJP, I think Mr. Advani did suffer a setback and Mr. Modi did emerge stronger because it is going to be much more difficult for anybody within the party to oppose Mr. Modi now. And coming to the RSS and the RSS's role, I think we are being a bit unfair to the RSS. I have been a critic of the RSS at various points, and the RSS certainly should not micromanage the BJP or have a veto over the BJP. But you can't deny it a very legitimate role as a stakeholder, one of 2 or 3 stakeholders in the BJP. And yesterday, Mr. Advani's aides and supporters and assistants were telling a dozen journalists every hour that his protest was against the RSS and the RSS's micromanagement. So the RSS chief, I suppose, had a right to ask him to call him and seek clarifications and offer clarifications. And what happened in the phone call between them, of course, is their business. I'm not privy to that.
You believe that? You believe what they're taught?
deny-
Do you believe what they said about the RSS micromanagement? Was Advani's problem with the RSS or was Advani's problem with Narendra Modi? How can you believe what they said?
I think I don't believe it, but if I followed your conversation for the past 15 minutes, that's all you've been discussing.
So what do you think it is? Do you
Mr.
think the problem
Advani's
was with Modi?
obviously not the RSS, it was Narendra Modi.
Precisely.
A huge diversionary tactic which his assistants tried yesterday, which I'm afraid a lot of the media has fallen for.
So what? Yes.
And much of this discussion has focused on the RSS's micromanagement.
Well-
I can't fail to understand why.
Because the RSS technically, on record, has always denied ever, there has not been one statement. The reason I'm focusing on it is only one, Ashok. Because can you tell me one instance when the RSS's role in the party affairs of the BJP has been officially announced at an official level like it was done today? Not once do I remember. In any internal dispute or any issue of the
No, let
BJP
me
has the
tell you.
RSS
No,
been
they are a
officially
social
named.
organization.
You don't know. No.
No, Prakash ji, they claim
Anil,
that they are a
ask me-
social organization. You must not take their name like this.
No, but let me clarify.
You know, there's one thing
because
that I
reading
say,
the
and
entire
the
script
point-
from
As I
If I could just
explained-
speak here, if I could just speak here.
Yeah.
If I could just speak here, Prakash, just 1 minute.
As
If I
I
could speak
as I
here.
explained,
As I said, the RSS.
yeah.
Okay, who's speaking? As I said, the RSS does not and should not and must not have a veto over the affairs of the BJP. But given the relationship between the two parties, given that the RSS incubated the BJP at one point, and of course the BJP is much bigger and a much wider party now than it was when it was only an arm of the RSS. Given that it's much wider now, it certainly enjoys much more autonomy and should enjoy autonomy. But one cannot deny the RSS a role as one of several.
No,
stakeholders of the BJP.
the fact
It's
is,
not like
the
RSS
fact is
doesn't
they have been,
exist.
no, the fact is they have been unable to diffuse a crisis on their own.
The BSP has the
pretend
1 minute.
otherwise.
The BSP has the DS4.
Why
the
do they
Conservative Party
pretend
has the
otherwise?
RTI.
No, I think what
Congress
you're
Party
saying
has
it's a
the
fait accompli. What you're saying today is a fait accompli. The RSS will interfere. They have an umbilical cord relationship. They will interfere. But that has been seen to be the culture, the cultural roots of the BJP. The point here is, 1 second, Ashok Malik, just consider this point. I have the entire sequence of events, and I know that Mr. L.K. Advani has been calling people all day today to find out how, and in fact some direct phone calls have been made to our channel. How did they know the exact sequence of events of what happened? So my point is, meeting on between Gadkari, Balbir Punj, Gurumurthy. Nitin Gadkari goes to meet Advani. Punj and Gurumurthy go in from the other gate to avoid the media. Sushma Swaraj joins the meeting. Phone call is then made by all these people to RSS Sarsang Chalak Mohan Bhagwat. Then after that phone call is over, a phone call is then made by these people to Rajnath Singh in Banswara. After that, Mohan Bhagwat speaks to Advani. In other words, this is the situation that the top BJP leaders have to speak to each other through Nagpur. I mean, Aarti, is this? No, this is exactly what has happened.
Rubbish.
It's not rubbish.
No, this is
This
not.
is exactly what has happened. This is what has happened, and
No,
it's
that
been
is not
proven.
real
I'm sorry,
story.
it's not rubbish.
This is not real story.
So I take offense to your
You were not
description of it as
bugging.
rubbish.
You are not bugging. Let me tell you.
Sir,
Let me tell you the real story.
Why do they hide?
1 minute,
behind the
just give me
screen of
1 minute.
secrecy?
Sir, just calling
Why do
it
they
rubbish
pretend
will...
otherwise? They mock the Congress for having a high command, but they are a high
I'll tell
command
you.
for the BJP too.
No,
so what's wrong with? Why don't they just come up front on it?
Come up front on it, you're being said.
Why
1
this
second, before I
great
come back to
veil
you,
of
Prakash
pretense?
Javadekar, Rita Bahuguna Joshi. Ms. Joshi.
Well, you see, two very interesting, comments have come in. The first was that it was the intervention of Mohan Bhagwatji that diffused the issue. The other is that there are stakeholders in the BJP. Are we talking about corporate management? And what is the stake? What is the stake of RSS? RSS is against inclusive politics. RSS is against inclusive organization or inclusive country. So what do we mean to say? What does he want to indicate? That RSS intervention with the BJP, and I appreciate, Mr. Gujral, I'm very sorry to say
Mr.
that
Gujral.
you think it's an internal matter. It is not. Because RSS is one organization that is out to break the country
Mr.
on
Javadekar, 1 minute.
religious lines. How can you say you're not at all involved or you're not at all worried about this? The nation is worried. If the RSS is dictating the BJP, it's a very dangerous situation.
Very
And we
dangerous
have to
situation. I'll
accept
get Naresh Gujral to respond. Prakash
1
Javadekar
minute.
first. Yes, Mr. Javadekar.
The very simple point. I can appreciate that Bahuguna Joshi cannot understand this relationship because they have only one family lineage and whatever they give orders are orders for them. But for us, it's an ideological parivar where we function independently but still take guidance from each other, consultation each other when required. And when Advani ji, who is our patriarch and the senior most leader, steps down or wishes to resign from certain posts, it's not a small matter, it was a huge issue. And there the party
But your
has
party
taken a
president cannot
decision
resolve the issue.
and conveyed to it.
Your party
And
president cannot
party's
resolve the issue.
1 minute. parties, 1 minute. Yeah, he resolved the issue very amicably because when he requested and told Advani ji that this is what the whole party wishes, that he should continue
Mr.
to guide us.
Javadekar,
Advani ji
Mr.
accepted
Javadekar,
the
look at the
proposal. And
huge,
it was only the last
If the
minute.
Huge
party
irony.
does not have the
Mr.
ability
Javadekar.
to sort out its own matters.
Mr.
No, it's
Javadekar,
not right.
You don't have the ability to sort out your own issues, and you need RSS every time with it.
We have sorted out. We have sorted out.
Narendra Modi.
But
then it's a very sad reflection. It's a very sad reflection on your
No,
ability
no.
as a politician to sort out your internal matters.
it's a
Very sad reflection.
united nationalist thinking. It's a
Every time you
united
need their ideological...
In January
Just
2006.
for a-
advice.
just
In
for
January
20 seconds.
2006, Prakash Javadekar, I'll
Arnab.
jog your memory. I'll jog
Arnab.
your memory. In January 2006.
No, but I'm telling you.
No, January 2006
Basically, you are
interview
wrong.
to
It is
India
not
today.
January
Arnab, can I come in
2006.
here?
No, one second. Interview to India
but
today
let me
in January
come to you. Let me come
2006.
to you.
Advani
Yeah.
says, please listen to me, sir. 1 minute, just
So
listen
this
to what
is not micromanagement.
Sir,
This is not micromanagement
Sir,
by
no, no,
RSS.
it's about impression.
This is RSS Sarsanchalan talking to the senior most RSS
sir, you
Pracharak
don't,
also.
sir, you don't care about
Who
impressions.
is
Sir,
our party's patriot,
Mr.
but he is Swayam Sevak first,
Sir, the
and
que-
we are not apologetic about it.
Sir,
On this very issue, we left Janata Party and we formed our own
Mr.
party.
Javadekar, I am not
It's
asking.
a-
No,
RSS
Mr. Javadekar,
is
you are
the
in a very
national
aggressive
force.
mood. No, no, Mr.
And
Javadekar.
The party dropped
We
you.
are proud.
Mr.
Janata
Javadekar,
Party
proud to be
dropped
RSS.
you.
the question, Mr. Javadekar, is of perceptions and impressions, and the impression has now gone. The impression has gone that RSS
Arnab,
rules
can I come
BJP.
here for 20 seconds?
Yeah, Manoj.
Arnab, can I come? Yeah, quickly. Today, I'm listening to Mr. Prakash Javadekar for so many years now. Today, he appears so circumspect and cautious. His script itself, it appears, has been written by RSS.
Who? Javadekar script?
RSS, BJP can... Yeah, today he appears so cautious.
It is not that.
He used to speak in flow. Number one. Number two, BJP's existential roots are located in the seeds of RSS. So you cannot... What was concealed today has been revealed. That RSS runs decisions, everyday political decision in BJP. And that tells you what he calls family.
No.
That is how fascism operates.
Now, that's
That is the problem for us.